morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Naila, and I'm responsible for design department. The purpose of today's presentation is to train how to make a bucket tote bag. If you have any questions you'd like to ask, please leave them until the end, when I'll be happy to answer them. In today's presentations, I'd like to cover 3 points. Firstly, the specific of the bucket tote bag. Secondly, how to make a bucket tote bag. And finally, research product. I'll start with some general information on specific of the bucket tote bag. Now, let's move on to the dimension of the product. The product has the following dimensions: length 30 centimeters, diameter 20 centimeter, arm strap 60 centimeter, and crossbody strap 110 centimeter. It will be adjustable. This means you can adjust the length according to your wishes. Now we move on to the product features. This product has several features. First, has a large storage space, so can be stored easily because it has many pockets. 3, practical, and 4, waterproof. Right, let's move on to the function of the product. To carry and store various items, you can use it when shopping or any conditions. You can using this bag for fashion accessory. It can be an alternative to plastic bag because it can be used repeatedly and more durable. Well, I've told you about the specifications of the bucket tote bag. I'd just like to give you some background information about how to make a bucket tote bag. Next, I'd like to take a look at the material used. First is fox leather. We need in 1 meter for main material of the back body, the outer. Second, we need a waterproof lining. We need in 1 meter for inner lining of the back. And third, we need a thick fox leather. We need in 0.5 meter and for back base reinforcement. Fourth, we need a strong metal zipper. We need 47, sorry, 4, we need a strong metal zipper. We need 40 centimeters for main cover of the bag. 5, we need a strap polyester. We need 1.5 meter for long shoulder strap. And 6, we need D-ring and metal hook. We need in 2 set for connecting long ropes. And 7, we need a magnetic buttons. We need in 1 pieces and for additional cover outside. 8, we need a special sewing thread for leather. We need in 1 roll of sewing threads for strong threads of the same color to connect one part to another. And 9, we need additional coating such as hard mica or thin plastic. We need in good enough for to strengthen the basic structure of the bag if necessary. Let me turn now to tools used. First, heavy dating sewing machine. This is a type of strong sewing machine that can sew imitations, leathers, and thick materials. Second, we need a special sewing machine needle for leathers. These needles are sharper and stronger so they don't break easily. Third, we need a strong sewing thread like polyester or nylon. This is a special thread for imitations leathers, doesn't break easily. Fourth, we need a sharp fabric scissors to cut imitations leather and lining neatly. 5, we need a long ruler and curved ruler to draw a back cutting patterns. 6, we need a fabric pencil or special pattern marker for erasable to mark the letter before cutting. 7. We need a small banana cutter or rotary cutter to cut imitation letter more precisely. 8. We need a magnetic button and D-ring attachment tools. Is it small pliers? And 9. We need a fabric clips because pins can leave holes. This leads me to my next point, which is a step for making. First, cut the material patterns. The imitation leather and nylon lining are cut according to the bucket bag patterns, including the body, round base, and straps. Second, attach the lining and liner and inner pocket. Sew the inner pocket to the lining. Prepare the lining complete with pocket. Third, attach the zipper to the back body. The zipper is sewn on the top of the back body while connecting the outer body and the upper lining. 4. Sew the outer body and lining. Assemble the back body into a cylindrical shape and connect the round base to the bottom of the back. 5. Attach the strap and accessories. Sew the webbing strap to the side of the bag. Attach the D-ring, and hook if using a long strap. 6. Check the stitching and structure. Make sure all stitches are strong, there are no loose threads, and the shapes of the bag is sturdy. 7. Finishing and cleaning. Cut the remaining threads, tidy up the shape of the bag, and clean any glue or pencil pattern stains. 8. Quality check. Check the zipper functions, strap strength, and overall neatness of the bag. 9. The product is ready to use. Bucket tote bag is ready to use or in the market. That's all I have to say about how to make a bucket tote bag. Before I start, does anyone know the result of product? Moving to the next part, I'd like to showing the design of product. This bag has a minimalist bucket shapes designed with a sturdy yet simple silhouette made of premium synthetic leather. This bag emphasizes an elegant and modern impression suitable for everyday wear or formal casual events. I'd like now to discuss about product advantage. First is the modern minimalist design, suitable for various fashions from casual to semi-formal. Second, waterproof material, it can protect items inside the bag from splashes of water. Third, sturdy but lightweight structure, it may comfortable to carry every day. Multifunctions on this bag can be used as a handbag or sling bag. 4 is customizable. It can be customized color, strap size, or additional pocket as requested. 5 is eco-friendly. This bag using imitation leather, vegan leather, so it is more ethical than genuine leather. Right, let's move on to product disadvantage. First is durability. Fox leather is not as strong as genuine leather, more prone to peeling after years of use. Second is limited load resistance, not recommended for carrying heavy items for long periods of time. Third is special care must be kept away from extreme heat exposure to prevent the material from cracking or fading quickly. 4 is long strap can wear out, webbing strap can wear out, and the joints if used frequently with heavy loads. Okay, that's bring me to the end of my presentation. Thanks for listening. In conclusion, today we have covered three main topics. First, we discussed the specifications of the bucket tote bag, including its dimensions, features, and functions. Second, we went through the process of making a bucket tote bag from the materials and tools needed to detailed step of productions. Finally, we reviewed the product design, its advantage and disadvantage, giving a full overview of what makes this bucket tote bag special.